Welcome to our today lesson about English listening practice for beginners. In this lesson, we will practice listening to simple English sentences spoken slowly and clearly. Listening is one of the most important skills when learning English, and with regular practice, you can improve your understanding and confidence. The key to good listening is patience, focus, and practice. It is important to listen carefully and try to understand the meaning of each sentence without rushing. If you do not understand something the first time, do not worry. You can always listen again and try to catch the words more clearly. Listening is one of the most important skills when learning English. If you want to speak fluently, you must first learn to listen carefully and understand what others are saying. Many learners struggle with this because they focus too much on individual words instead of the overall meaning. The best way to improve listening skills is to listen to English every day and train your ears to recognize words and phrases naturally. When you listen, do not try to translate everything into your native language. Instead, focus on understanding the main idea. Watch English movies, listen to podcasts, and practice with native speakers. This will help you understand different accents and improve your comprehension. Another important technique is active listening. This means paying full attention to what is being said instead of just hearing words. Try to repeat what you hear and practice shadowing, where you speak along with the audio. The more you listen, the easier it becomes to understand English without thinking too much. Stay patient and consistent, and you will see great improvement in your listening skills over time. Practicing simple conversations every day is the best way to improve your English. When you speak daily, you become more confident and fluent. Here are some common conversations that will help you in real-life situations. English at a coffee shop. Customer, hello. I'd like a cup of coffee, please. Barista, sure. Do you want it with milk or sugar? Customer, just black, please. Barista, all right. That will be $3. Customer, here you go. Thank you. Barista, you're welcome. Enjoy your coffee. English at the grocery store. Customer, excuse me. Where can I find the bread? Store employee, it's in aisle 5. Customer, thank you. Also, do you have fresh oranges? Store employee, yes, they are in the fruit section near the entrance. Customer, great, I'll get some. Asking for directions in English. Tourist, excuse me, how do I get to the train station? Local, go straight and turn left at the second traffic light. The station is on the right. Tourist, thank you so much. Local, no problem. Have a nice day. English at a restaurant. Waiter, hello. Welcome to our restaurant. Here is a menu. Customer, thank you. I'd like to order a chicken sandwich. Waiter, would you like a drink with that? Customer, yes. A glass of water, please. Waiter, all right. Your food will be ready soon. Talking about your day in English is a great way to practice speaking and improve fluency. When you describe your daily routine or what happened in your day, you become more comfortable using common words and expressions. You can start with simple sentences and slowly add more details. In the morning, you can say, I woke up at 7 a.m. and got ready for the day. I brushed my teeth, took a shower, and had breakfast. Then, I left for work. If you are a student, you can say, I went to school and attended my classes. I learned something new in English today. During the afternoon, you can talk about what you did. For example, I had lunch with my friends at a restaurant. After that, I went back to work and finished an important task. If you are at home, you can say, I watched a movie and cleaned my room. In the evening, you can share how you relaxed. After dinner, I went for a walk and listened to music. Then, I spent some time with my family. Before ending your conversation, you can add, it was a busy but good day. Now, I am getting ready for bed. The key to speaking about your day is to keep it simple and natural. You don't need perfect grammar. Just focus on expressing your thoughts. Try to practice every day by talking to yourself in the mirror or writing in a journal. The more you practice, the better your English will become. When you socialize in English, using common phrases can help you sound more natural and confident. Whether you are meeting new people, starting a conversation, or keeping a discussion going, these phrases will be useful in daily life. Meeting someone new. Hi, nice to meet you. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? It's great to meet you. Starting a conversation. How's your day going? What have you been up to? That's a nice jacket. Where did you get it? Did you watch the game last night? The weather is really nice today, isn't it? Keeping a conversation going. Really? That sounds interesting. Tell me more about it. I know what you mean. That's a good point. What do you think about that? Agreeing and disagreeing politely. I completely agree with you. That makes sense. I see what you're saying, but I think that's an interesting perspective. I understand, but I have a different opinion. Ending a conversation nicely. It was great talking to you. Let's catch up soon. I have to go now, but let's talk again later. Take care. Have a great day. Using these phrases will help you feel more comfortable in social situations. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to start and continue conversations in English. Try using these phrases in real life and see how your confidence grows. Talking about your future plans in English helps you communicate more naturally and confidently. You can use phrases like going to, will, or planning to when talking about things you intend to do. For example, if you're talking about the near future, you can say, I'm going to meet my friend tomorrow, or I'm planning to watch a movie tonight. If you're unsure about your plans, you can say, I might go shopping this evening. When talking about long-term goals, you can use will, want to, or hope to. For example, I will study cybersecurity after high school, or I hope to travel the world someday. If someone asks you what you're doing in the future, you can say, I want to start my own business, or one day, I hope to live in another country. To make plans with others, use phrases like let's or how about. For instance, let's go to the park this weekend, or how about meeting for lunch tomorrow? When you're talking about your career or education, you might say, I'm planning to study abroad, or I want to become a software engineer. You can also use thinking about when you're not sure yet, like, I'm thinking about moving to a new city. Asking others about their plans is simple. 2. You can ask, what are you doing this weekend? Or do you have any plans for the summer? Keep practicing these phrases, and you'll be able to talk about your future plans in English with ease. To keep improving your English, it's important to practice consistently. One of the best ways to practice is by making it a daily habit. You don't need to set aside hours each day. Just a few minutes of practice can make a big difference over time. Start by speaking or listening to English for a short time every day. This can be as simple as listening to an English podcast while you work, speaking with a friend, or even talking to yourself in English. You can also practice by reading in English. Start with simple texts, such as short stories, news articles, or books for beginners, and slowly work your way up to more complex material. Reading helps you learn new vocabulary and improves your understanding of sentence structure. Writing is another great way to practice. You can keep a journal in English, write short essays, or even try writing scripts for your YouTube videos. The more you write, the better your grammar and vocabulary will become. Lastly, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are a part of the learning process, and the more you practice, the more confident you will become. Keep challenging yourself and stay consistent. With time, you'll see significant improvement, and English will feel more natural to you. Keep going, stay motivated, and enjoy the journey of learning. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and motivating in your journey to learn English. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to becoming more confident and fluent. Don't forget to practice every day, stay positive, and keep pushing yourself. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new content. I'm here to help you on your English learning journey, and together we can achieve great things. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning, stay motivated, and keep believing in yourself.